Here at Xcelicut, we're primarily a production turning machine shop. We have 5 employees, including myself, and we've been in business now for just over 3 years. Finding people to load and unload the machine was a challenge. The labor that we did have was more highly skilled, and we needed to be able to use their talents elsewhere and not have them simply standing in front of the machine all day. So we felt the need to bring in the Cobot system. When we were looking for a Cobot machine tending solution, we were looking for something that we could run, unattended in the evenings for a few hours. Something that would be easy to learn, easy to program, safe to work around. Seeing the ease of use and the flexibility around the Cobot system made me want to talk to them more. I actually had a specific family of parts that I was planning to automate. So I went to Brian at Cobot Systems and told him what we were working on. So we started designing the system for that, picked out which robot size would be the best for us, which tray and table size would be good. And then we decided to purchase this system. And they brought it in and integrated it, and probably took less than an hour for them to integrate it to the machine. And we started training on it. We had parts running that day, actually. Prior to getting our Cobot system, we had absolutely no experience operating and programming robots. My team member who's currently programming and working with the robot, he was able to pick it up extremely quickly through time with the Cobot Systems team on site, where they looked at our actual application, helped him work through what would be the best way to handle the parts, move the robot, things like that. And it's been a great experience going from knowing next to nothing to being able to run production and have a robot that we can run unattended. For them to just be able to load the Cobot system with raw material, hit the button, come back and inspect one every once in a while, and then have the tray of parts be complete, they were ecstatic. It freed them up to do a lot more fulfilling work. The robot has a soft integration into our machine, so it actually presses all the buttons the same way that an operator would press the buttons. The impacts on our production have been huge. Before, we might have been getting 100 parts per day of this one particular part family, and we went to getting almost 160 parts a day, and that's just during the manned operation, when we have people here. My advice to any other machine shops or businesses looking to automate their processes, don't be afraid to bring the robot in. It's going to open up a world of possibilities that you didn't think of before you had it. Even other products that you're currently manufacturing, you'll see them in a different way, and you'll want to put everything on the robot.